Join me as I dive deep into the world of IXHL stock and try to figure out exactly what it is and whether it's worth your investment. IXHL stock, or Incannex Incorporated if you're looking at the full name, has been gaining some attention lately. The biotech industry is always hot, with new innovations popping up left and right, and IXHL seems to be right in the middle of it all. The thing with IXHL stock, though, is that it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Market volatility is a huge issue here. One day it's up, the next it's down, and it can be tough to keep track of what's going on. And then there's the company's performance. Are they meeting their goals? Are they on track to make the breakthroughs everyone hopes for? These are the kinds of questions that can make or break investor confidence. Another challenge is competition. The biotech field is crowded, with plenty of other companies working on similar projects. If IXHL doesn't keep up, it could easily get left behind. And let's not forget regulatory hurdles. The FDA and other agencies have a lot of power when it comes to approving new treatments and products. If IXHL hits a snag there, it could spell trouble. People are also worried about the financials. Is the company burning through cash too quickly? Are they making smart investments, or are they just throwing money at things that might not work out? All these uncertainties make it tough to decide whether IXHL stock is a good bet. So what does influence IXHL stock, then? Well, industry trends are a big one. If the biotech sector is hot, IXHL is likely to do well too. Any major breakthroughs or shifts in the industry can send the stock soaring. Company news is another huge factor. If IXHL announces a new partnership, a successful trial, or a major investment, that can drive the stock price up. Financial metrics are also crucial. Investors want to see revenue growth, a solid balance sheet, and a clear plan for the future. And let's not forget about management. A strong, experienced team can make all the difference in navigating the ups and downs of the biotech world. Industry trends aren't the only thing to watch. News about the company itself can move the stock. Positive announcements can send it up, while negative ones can send it down. And then there are the financials, revenue, profit margins, that kind of thing. The thing that really caught my eye, though, is a recent deal they've made. Incannex Incorporated has partnered with a major pharmaceutical company to work on one of their key projects. This could be huge, as it not only brings in more cash but also validates their technology. There's also been some significant progress on one of their main drug candidates. Early trials have shown some really promising results, which could mean a lot for the future of the company. Of course, it's still early days, but if this keeps going, it could be a game changer. But here's the thing, even with all these positives, there are still risks. The biotech industry is inherently volatile, and there are no guarantees. Still, if you're looking at IXHL stock, you've got to consider the potential. A successful drug or treatment could mean huge returns. And even if it doesn't pan out, the company's got a solid foundation to fall back on. To wrap it up, IXHL stock seems like it's got a lot of potential but also some significant challenges. The biotech industry is always tricky, but if you're willing to take on the risk, there could be big rewards. If you're interested in learning more about stock analysis, check out our other video on the topic. Or, if you've got thoughts on IXHL stock, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.